Hi, today guys we're going to be making a mocktail and I've gone with a cranberry orange juice spritzer. So today what we need is some ice, then we need to pour in, just show you what I've got so far, so the cranberry juice and the orange juice and the lemonade. So starting with the lemonade, we're going to stick in half a glassful. Like so. Half lemonade, orange juice, sorry. And the cranberry juice. Like so. Then get a spoon. Mix it all together. And then you've got a refreshing drink on a nice hot summer's day. Cheers guys.